Hey everyone, check out the VEVOR Button Maker Machine, a beginner-friendly tool that lets you create 2.25-inch badges instantly with no installation needed. It features alignment scales for perfect pattern placement, making it easy for families and kids to start crafting right away. This kit includes 100 button parts, a circle cutter, and even a fun Panda Magic Book with colorful black and white and blank panda designs for endless creativity. The ergonomic arc handle reduces effort and improves badge-making success, plus the durable ABS body ensures long-lasting use. Whether you want to make personalized gifts, unique pins, or creative keepsakes, this kit has everything you need. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts looking to make memorable and meaningful badges for any occasion. Get ready to unleash your creativity and make special, handmade treasures with ease. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.